Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the Sram Code R brake pads, touted as one of the best options in the market for mountain biking enthusiasts. Stick around as we explore what makes these brake pads stand out from the competition. The Sram Code R brake pads are designed specifically for riders who demand uncompromising performance and reliability on the trails. Whether you're tackling steep descents or technical terrain, having reliable brake pads can make all the difference in your riding experience. Let's talk about what sets these brake pads apart. They're crafted from a durable copper-steel compound, which offers excellent braking power and longevity. This means you can ride with confidence knowing your brakes will perform consistently, even in challenging conditions. The pads are compatible with a range of SRAM models, including the Code RSC and Code R, as well as the Guide RE from 2011 onwards. This versatility ensures that whether you're upgrading your current setup or replacing worn-out pads, the Sram Code R brake pads are a reliable choice. In terms of performance, these pads excel in both wet and dry conditions, thanks to their metallic compound. This not only enhances braking power but also ensures minimal brake fade, even during prolonged use. Durability is another key feature here. SRAM is known for engineering components that withstand the rigors of mountain biking, and these brake pads are no exception. With a manufacturer warranty of 2 years, you can ride with peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Installing the Sram Code R brake pads is straightforward for most riders. They come as a set of 2 pads, ready to be fitted onto your SRAM brake calipers. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or new to bike maintenance, replacing these pads is a hassle-free process that can be done at home with basic tools. It's worth noting that proper installation ensures optimal performance and safety. If you're unsure, consider consulting a professional bike mechanic to assist you. In conclusion, the Sram Code R brake pads are a top choice for mountain bikers looking to enhance their braking performance. With their durable construction, excellent stopping power, and easy installation, they offer great value for riders of all levels. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and ride safe out there.